How long is standard cost valid for? To begin with, the standard cost is used for both setting a target to aim at for the manufacturing process and to valuate perpetual inventory. As an SAP costing consultant, when reviewing the SAP documentation, we find that keeping the standard cost value for a year is the best practice. However, it is important to understand that this practice applies in industries that are stable and don't have high volatility in the prices of resources and external factors such as geopolitics, sudden change in supply chain, etc. In industries where there is high volatility like tech, food and energy, having a more frequent update of the standard cost is common. It can be done quarterly or semi-annually, and even in certain occasions it must be done on a monthly basis to better react to rapid, unexpected but possible changes and significant price fluctuations in order to have a more accurate representation of the profits of the business. In doing this, it may slow down the system, especially if you have thousands of materials in the business. It can increase administrative burden, and depending on the setup of the system, it may not be equipped to handle frequent cost updates cleanly, risking data integrity issues or errors in inventory valuation. In conclusion, the frequency you update the standard cost can be different depending on the volatility of the industry. Just know that the system has to be properly set up to support such frequent calculations, especially if the parallel valuation functionality is active. If you found this useful, please leave a like, comment, and follow for more videos like these. It makes sense to make things simpler.